number 8, Tyson Maurice Mengay.
Umarga na.
Candidate number 9, Wayne Margaret S. Valenzuela. Wayne Margaret wants to become a fashion designer because she loves creating beautiful clothes that make people feel confident and happy. She also wants to be a teacher because she enjoys helping others learn and grow. By combining both, she can express her creativity through fashion and inspire students to follow their dreams too. Once again, candidate number 9, Wayne Once again, our female candidates in their long gown attire. And now, I would like to present to you our male candidates. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, and our lovely audience, the moment we've all been waiting for has arrived, the awarding of our outstanding candidates. Marcel Navarro, our second judge, Mr. Edwin Bueno, and our last judge, Mr. Lou Andrew Baldeser. Paalala po muli, mag-share lamang po tayo pagkatapos ng tanong at pagkatapos ng sagot. Maraming salamat po. Question number 13. Paano mo maipapakita ang pasasalamat sa mga biyayang natatanggap mo araw-araw? In English, how do you show gratitude for the blessings you receive every day?
Ito po ay aking igagalang at magiging
ah.
Again, bakit mahalaga ang pagdasal sa araw-araw na buhay ng isang bata? In English, why is prayer important in the daily life of a child?
Maraming salamat sa iyo, magandang katanungan.
I want to give a sentence name, ladies and gentlemen, to give us lasting international bird that will surely make it up your feet and cheer along. Let's have the Balsam Folk Dance Group. Candidates, please stand.